Would you like to learn how to improve the consumption of fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds on a daily basis in a fun and creative way? Would you like to receive cooking tips and delicious recipes? Whole foods are packed with vitamins and minerals that are great for our health, that improve our energy, and make us feel radiant. We have created our website where you can find interesting tips and healthy recipes to share at home. We always seek to improve our diet for health, compassion, and our planet. Check out our website, www.cocinacreativa.com, to learn more.